dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Alright, my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Still on the Edo State Governorship election. My wonderful people, results from polling unit in Edo State Governorship election don't show tight race between APC and PDP. Hey, my people, don't be small matter. The results have started coming in from the polling unit in Edo State, the governorship election, as the All Progressive Congress and the People Democratic Party are locked in a tight contest. At the polling unit in Oredo Ward, they saw that APC and the PDP are closely following each other, while the Labour Party appears to be taking a distant toll. My people, I mean the peaceful election, it gets some side where be say talks go scatter the electoral process for the polling units where they for Uselu. The presiding officer for the polling unit 21 Ward 7 Uselu 1. Run comot o, hey, he run comot for the polling unit after unidentified talks scatter the voting process. As the voting they go on, some talks be storm the place, begin throw away ballot papers inside water. The electoral officer for Ego local government, Boma Bouncing, talk say if things scatter after they took eye for the matter and confirm say they go cancel the election for the polling unit. Oga Bamson say INEC go investigate the matter. When them see the presiding officer will run comot for the polling unit, the Independent National Electoral Commission don't extend the time of voting for some areas where be say the process starts late. Mohammed Haruna, the INEC Information and Voter Education Committee, announced the informat for inside statement the commissioner post on X to ensure say no voter dey disenfranchised. The commissioner wished to say in line with the regulation and guidelines. He announced said the voting go dey extended wherever they start late, and they are going to continue until the last person on the queue wey dey the pool go vote. The electoral body say dem don inform the INEC Edo State office to ensure to provide light and backup electric generators for the affected polling units or ward collation centers. But my people, before I go start to dey mention the polling units wey be say they don dey cast their votes, I don go cease to tell una say the People Democratic Party candidate as we hold a look, casting vote for polling unit 3 ward 1 Idiro Okigbe Iwomi Eastern South East local government. For his Instagram account, he say in dey impressive with the turnout of voters, but INEC really need to step up their game. So he believe strongly said the preparation for an obstacle suppose dey better to foster some of the delays wey be say in witness today. Also, the governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Neto Mondo Olo, casting vote for him polling unit for Udomi Primary School 1, Iroa. My people, we don't enter the phase 2 of the election, counting of the ballots. It don't begin for the Edo governorship election as INEC extend voting for some areas. Some party members they celebrate the victory of their candidate for Basiki polling unit. Now for areas where officials late to arrive, where authorities be extend voting hours for polling unit. My people, the Labour Party candidate for Edo State governorship election Lumida Akpata don't lose in polling unit. Results from in polling unit 11 ward 6 Oredo show say na PDP as we Hodalo win the unit. APC gets 19, the Labour Party got 32, the PDP candidate got 41 in Olumide Akpata polling unit. In Oredo ward 11 Ogbelaka, the result for polling unit 5 total registered voters 697. APC got 26, PDP got 58, the Labour Party got 7. Result for polling unit 6, registered voters in polling unit 6 is 560. The scores according to the parties, APC got 46, PDP got 50, the Labour Party got 17. Result for polling unit 7, the total registered voters 821. Scoring according to parties, APC got 38, PDP got 44, the Labour Party got 9. Polling unit 8, the total registered voters in polling unit 8 is 643. APC got 56, the PDP got 35. Labour Party got 4. Hey, my people, we're gonna calm down. I go see the update now. More results as they come out. Earlier, there was a report that a social political organization condemned vote buying in part of Edo State in the ongoing governorship election. According to the organization, the party agents were seen bribing voters with 10,000 naira each in some areas. So, the incident of vote buying in Iboboka
Igwebe, Isan West, Akoko-Edo, Onwa West, and Ihumode local government. Most of the incidents were being covered by the election monitors, and APC and PDP party agents were seen bribing voters with cash 10,000 at the Igwebe Idumwaka Primary School polling unit 12, 10, 3, and 4 Ward 1 in Igwebe local government. It was also said that the party agents were seen handing out cash. Party agents for APC and PDP were also seen handing out cash 10,000 naira in Inokaro Primary School 6 polling unit 12, 11, 7, and 9 in Igbekun Ward, Igboboka local government area. Other issues noted include voters' halting accreditation and voting process in Igboboka. Army Children 6 polling unit in Iwegbe Itua Ward, Igboboka local government, because INEC officials arrived without the official stamp at Ibua Market Square in Hunwode local government. An altercation between APC and PDP supporters over alleged bribery led to the suspension of voting and the destruction of the voting cubicle. Political talks also disrupted voting at Ayara Araromi Primary School in Akoko-Edo local government. There have been controversies, my people, and reports of heavy vote buying in the ongoing Edo State governorship election. As a result of fraud, my people, we go see they bring on a more story. The matter being that most of the Nigerian artists don't tell Edo people say, may they not sleep or may they shine their eyes as counting of votes don't start. Nigerian musician David Adeleke encourage Edo people, say may they push sleep go one side. As in let's say, now for night mago they happen, as he make reference to wetin happen for the governorship election for Osun State. He said at night they always strike. For sure, they don't sleep 3 days. So he know how many back of head he slept that day. May they wake up, may they never sleep because sleep never reach. So they tell other people now say they need to be vigilant till the very end. And it mean more. So may the people shine their eyes. As the counting of vote they go on for Edo State, photos of result sheet don't begin they enter from different polling units. Heavy security don't mount for INEC election center. So make Edo people not do themselves this time around. Alright, my wonderful people, I would like to know how not they see this governorship election results. What do you think? And how not they see the election today? Make gonna let us know in the comment section below. Go like hear from Mona. Because whoever become governor elect go replace Governor Godwin Obaseki for office on November 11. So my people, Muna calm down, Muna no go anywhere. Now for here we go they bring Muna the life update as it they happen and when it they happen. Una welcome and thank you all so much for staying to us.